Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technologies Neighborhood. We are the LD display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is an LD production counter display panel. Where you can see for the top row is the total target. Basically, we can set by the keypad and followed by the actual. The actual will be the green button, or we can trigger by the sensor. The next one will be reject. The reject will be triggered by the button. So the efficiency is based on the finished good versus the total target. Let's start our demonstration today. For the display, you see that press and hold the first button, you go to the mode 1. So press, you go to next. So for example, you want to change this number, you can change. Once you change, settle, press and hold again. So this is the actual, we won't set it unless you want to continue from the last week production. Once you set, you can trigger the button as usual. So you can now see that the efficiency is growing. So either by the manuals or the sensor. So this is a reject button. So it depends. So the size of the character is 70 mm. So for the height of the display and the width of the display is 530 mm, and the deep depth of the display is 80 mm. So this is how it looks like. So press. If end of the day, when you finish your production, press and hold the button number 2 to reset everything. If you like my video, help us like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.